In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Mozilla Thunderbird. Let's get started by opening Mozilla Thunderbird on your computer. As you launch the application, you'll see the familiar interface, which includes your inbox and any folders you have set up. This is where you manage your emails and communications. Opening Thunderbird is the first step in customizing your experience. It helps set the stage for the changes you'll make. Once you see the main window, you know you are ready to dive into the settings. Next, although there is no direct option to change the background color in Mozilla Thunderbird, you can still alter the overall theme. To do this, click the menu button, which resembles three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon. This button is usually located in the upper right corner of the window. Selecting it will open a drop-down menu where you will find various options. This menu is essential as it leads you to the settings you need to adjust. Once you click the menu button, you can easily navigate to the necessary settings that allow you to change your theme. After accessing the menu, select Settings from the drop-down list. This action takes you to a new window filled with various preferences that control how Thunderbird operates. The settings area is crucial because it gives you control over different features and personalization options. Once you are in the settings section, you can focus on the theme changes. It is comforting to know that just a few clicks can enhance your visual experience in Thunderbird. Now go to the add-ons and themes section within the settings. This area is where you can explore additional tools and visual styles for Thunderbird. By navigating here, you can discover different themes that suit your taste. It's important to take a moment to explore these options, as they can significantly affect how you interact with your emails. Once you access add-ons and themes, you are one step closer to selecting a theme that resonates with you. Click on Themes to proceed. This action will display the various themes available, such as the System, Dark, and Light themes. Each of these themes offers a unique look and feel, catering to different lighting conditions and personal preferences. The option to switch between themes is beneficial because it allows you to create a comfortable working environment. Once you see the available themes, you can start considering which one matches your style. Choose a theme based on your preference. If you like a darker interface, select the dark theme. If you prefer a brighter look, the light theme might be for you. You can also opt for the system theme, which adapts based on your operating system settings. This flexibility is important as it allows you to personalize Thunderbird to suit your daily usage. Once you've made your selection, you will be ready to save your changes. Click Enable to save your changes. This action confirms your chosen theme and applies it to your Thunderbird interface immediately. After enabling your new theme, you will see the interface transform before your eyes. This immediate visual change is satisfying and reassures you that your preferences are now in effect. You can always return to this section to switch themes anytime you wish. To change the default background color for new emails you compose, start by opening Settings again. This time you will focus on the composition options. This step is vital because it allows you to customize how your emails appear to recipients. By modifying the composition settings, you ensure that your emails reflect your personality and style. Go to the Composition section and select General. This section contains the settings that dictate how your emails look and feel. You will find options that allow you to control color settings and more. This is an important area to navigate to ensure your emails stand out in the best way possible. Once you are here, you are closer to customizing your email background. Turn off the option labeled Use Reader's Default Colors. By disabling this setting, you gain full control over the background color in your emails. This step is significant because it allows your chosen background color to be applied consistently across all your outgoing messages. After you turn off this option, you can move on to select your preferred color. Select a new background color from the palette presented. You will see various color choices that can enhance the overall look of your emails. Once you choose a color, it will be included in the emails you send. This feature is essential as it allows for better customization, ensuring your emails are visually appealing to your recipients. After picking your color, make sure to save your changes. With these steps, you have successfully changed the background theme in Mozilla Thunderbird and customized your email composition settings. Enjoy your new look and feel as you manage your emails with style.